Hi there, it's Cindy here, and I haven't interviewed Joe for a while, but we're back, and Joe has been, selling CDs on the street, haven't you, Joe? He's been selling CDs on the street with his dog, and I mean that's great, like that's great. He claims that his dog speaks English, isn't it right, Joe? So we're gonna turn to the dog and see how the dog speaks, right, Joe? Okay, let's go. Okay, the dog's not speaking.
What's up, y'all? It's Doug here with my boy Joe. J to the OV. They call him Jovi. You could at least maybe Joe. They don't really know what's going on in the hood. But,
would you like to say something, Joe? Sorry to cut you out there, pups. Joe, would you like to say anything? Like, what's life like on the streets selling CDs? I mean, how is it for you? Okay, Joe isn't very talkative, but as we know from before, he does act like this sometimes, and if that's how he acts, we're fine to go with it. So, Joe. Oh, sorry, I just had to fix the hair there. So, Joe, what exactly are your CDs? What are they like? What would you call the genre of music? Would you call it rap, or would you call it gap? Because it's like gay rap. Well, what? You're always hiding behind this dog, and I want to get into Joe. Like right up in there. Put the dog down, man. I don't want to. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. English voice just came out. Okay, so Joe.
you're English.
I'm not. I'm American, as you can hear.
You're English, and my sister. You live in England. Why are you lying?
My name's Cindy, and I'm from
Your name's
America.
Sophie, and you're from England, the UK.
Okay, Joe likes
Live in
to
Camden.
live in a fantasy that he's built up, and it's okay to build up a fantasy. I mean, if you want to pretend, maybe he looks up to me like as a role model.
You live in England. Stop lying.
You see, it's like he wants me to be English. And
If I was American, how would I be able to speak in this thing?
he's great at accents, like really
would I live in this
great
shithole
at
house?
accents.
Look at it. Look at it.
Just because you're American, you can still be homeless. He's a bum, and he's pretty stressed out about it. But
No, we live in England.
we don't. Does this
Look
look
at the English
like
TV shows that we have on.
I got it on record on the net. So, am I getting fat? Is my face getting fat?
Okay, speak English.
I'm speaking English. This is English. English American. I'm not speaking a different language. Stop it. Oh, okay, we're going to have to cut off air because
no, I want you to
he
speak
won't
English.
ignore. Ouchie, mama! You're going to cut the film.
What you saying?
Sorry. Slight mistake there.
What,
Not a
American?
mistake, but like a new accent. I'm just trying with this, this London accent. I try really hard, but I'm not sure that it's going too well. But can I do an English accent? Let me try. Hello. No, I can't. Bye-bye for now. Catch up with us next week where Joe will be sucking his dog off.